The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is a new midsize SUV that comes standard with a 243 horsepower hybrid powertrain and all-wheel drive. The Crown Signia replaces the Toyota Venza, which will be retired after the 2024 model year. It provides more luxurious interior finishings than other Toyota models, with nicer materials and an upscale design. And it promises both more space and more capability, including towing, than the Venza. We expect it to cost significantly more as a result, however, and many premium features are available as options. The Crown Signia is a new offering, and it will fit into the Toyota lineup in a similar position as the Venza that it replaces. Larger than the compact RAV4 but smaller than the three-row Highlander, it will likely be more expensive than both. The Crown Signia comes with an all-wheel drive hybrid powertrain. It uses a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder gasoline engine and 3 electric motors. This produces a total of 243 horsepower, and a continuously variable automatic transmission is standard. The Crown Signia's interior is similar to the Crown sedans, with nice materials and a pleasant-looking dashboard design. The standard upholstery is a combination of cloth and vinyl in the XLE model, but the limited upgrades to leather seats. The two-row seating setup offers space for 5 passengers, and there's a generously sized cargo area that expands when you fold the rear seats. A panoramic sunroof is optional and makes for an airier feel, and both tan and black interior color options are available.